Can all issues be resolved with animal communication? Hi, my name is Akshaya. I'm a nature and animal communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species and have two-way conversations with them. One of the most common questions I get asked is if we can resolve all issues, be it health, behavior, or anything else that the animal is going through communication. And the simple answer to this question is no. Animal communication is a tool and a technique to understand the perspective of our animals. So we can most definitely understand what our animal is going through, what their opinions are, how they are feeling about it, and if there is a resolution from their perspective that can be employed so that we can resolve the situation that the human and the animal are in. However, the resolutions are never guaranteed since it's just like a conversation. Imagine having a conversation with another human. Can a conversation really resolve all kinds of issues? Definitely not. Likewise, when we speak of issues at a behavioral level or at a physical level with medical issues, it is very important for us to reach out to appropriate professionals such as doctors and behaviorists to help our animals with those said issues. While animal communication can definitely help us understand what the animals feel about it and thereby help us provide them with appropriate resolutions, we as communicators cannot medicate, diagnose, or fix behaviors just through talking to the animals. And one such wonderful explanation was given to me by a dog that I spoke recently to. This dog had severe leash reactivity issues and it was practically impossible for the human to take him out for a walk. While communicators and trainers and behaviorists kept telling the human to stay calm while going for a walk with the dog, it was becoming practically impossible for the human to stay calm with the dog being so reactive at all times. When I came into the picture and spoke to the dog said that in this case he definitely needs a lot of help, not only from a behaviorist to understand his behavior and help him feel more calm and relaxed, but he would also need the help of a doctor because there is a lot of irritation, irritability, frustration in the animal and there could be a medical issue regarding the same. As an ethical communicator, it is our responsibility to anyway guide the human to the appropriate professionals where we understand that communication is not going to help. So in this case, as the dog had also recommended, I told the human to take the dog to the doctor as well as to seek a proper behavior therapist to understand the behavioral issues that the animal is going through and help the animal at a physical level. Through the conversation, the animal also shared that this whole interaction and this whole circumstance that the human and the animal are going through is definitely a part of the purpose and contract that both the human and the animal share together. So there is a lot to learn for the animal and the human. In this case, the animal needed to learn how to be more aligned to their physical body and also to their physical external environment, while the human needed to let go of the control and also be open to newer perspectives and changes in their own life to make the dog feel more comfortable. So while this spiritual message was definitely shared by the animal, the problem was not resolved through the communication and there was definitely a requirement for appropriate professionals to intervene in this issue. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Please note that while animal communication is a wonderful technique, it can't be employed for everything. It is good to understand what our animals perceive and what they think. However, wherever required, we must take the help of other professionals. Until the next video, bye-bye.